Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Set of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and in this episode we're gonna check out and answer the question: Doge, can it moon? Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and that bell so you know when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us when the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links will be going out right now. I'm going to pin it on YouTube, but just watch out throughout the stream. We're going to be posting these links often. Waiting for that comment to come in so we can pin it. It's pinned. Let's do a roll call. Let's see who's in here, guys. Also, if you want to get an awesome display like the one you see up here, go to cryptocoindisplay.com. And a code instead of crypto, you're going to get 10% off your purchase. Let's move on to the screen where the magic happens. And on that note, send out the Twitter so you can engage with us there as well. What are we going to do, man? Roll call. Let's see who's in here, man. So many people in the house. Oh, well, that's not good. The music's stopping for some reason. Weird. I think it's good now. Double V, what is up? You're the first. Awesome. Crypto J. Yo. Double V, can we do Chromia? Sure. Let's do Charizard. Let's go, says Apostolic Mind. The fact is here with a beer. LSU Fever. Yo. Philip, here we go. May, we get to see a dog. Not tonight, man. Happy Friday. Hope those Doge holders are taking profits. Yeah, Doge actually not doing that bad, right? Still managed to pump a little bit more yesterday. Or technical today. Or, yeah, today, but, you know, markets yesterday. I think that's what we should say. Redline Venom, what is up? Dapper Romeo, Cash. Chandler. He's in both places. Awesome. Oh, that's awesome, dude. Soak is here. Can I look at Hyper Chain X? I mean, Yeah, if it's on Trading View, I will. You have the ticker for it? Crypto, let me know. And also just put in proper requests like add instead of crypto, and then the asset. And then I'll put in the list for sure, right? But yeah, we can check it out. Just make sure you put the ticker. Let's see what's going on, man. I was looking at Zcash. Zcash is doing really good, right? What is happening with total market cap? Yesterday we did go up quite a bit, 0.31%. Today pumping a little bit more, 0.80. Still, $2.34 trillion. We're still trying to go higher, but we're still stagnating here against the RSI, and that still has us building this this strong bearish divergence for potential action to downside. So not a lot has changed in the last couple of days. Sorry, guys. Let's go to Bitcoin dominance, 45.90. Yesterday we gained a little bit of dominance. We do have this bullish divergence here, strong for potential action to upside. We're just not getting this to pump up, right? Well, something like stuck in the back of my throat. There we go. Anyways, we are oversold at 20.52. Let's go check out Bitcoin futures. Where did we close? We managed to get above the 20, which is good. 57,760. At least we're above the 20, and it looks like we want to start closing up this gap now again. So let's see if Bitcoin can muster that move next week. Or, yeah, it has to do it in the week. Bitcoin price at $57,707.58. What is up with Bitcoin, man? What is up with Bitcoin, right? Hey, I'm just drinking water, man. Thanks, though. Can't drink right now. Hyper, right. It's Miller time. It's Friday, man, right? It is legal. I can't drink right now, though. Let's do this. High to low, high to low, and high to low. There's nothing bearish. Nothing else that is bullish, just nothing bearish. Just bearish divergence still there, but we're trying to get above it. It is a weekend. Let's see what Saturday's going to bring in for us. I do believe we could be trying to move up. Maybe try to move for that 59,845. We'll see if we get that move. Neutral 53.65. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. See what we have there. On the 4-hour chart, we had bearish divergence, action and downside, low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. On that note, we are neutral. 6.51, high to low. Hello, and there's nothing bullish and nothing bearish in the 4-hour. Again, we're broke out of this line. We're in a short-term bull trend. It's all good. There's nothing bearish right now here in the short term. We're just consolidating within this range, and that's fine. 1-hour chart, bullish divergence strong. We were looking for this yesterday. We did get it, and then we pumped up on that. And again, we even reached a high of 58,750. Not too bad. We did pull back down, hit that 20 moving average, and then we're bouncing again. Let's see if we're doing something here. Low to high, negative, low or positive to more positive, low to high. There's nothing bearish. Seems like we just, maybe in the half hour, there's some bearish divergence here. I wouldn't doubt if there was bearish divergence here in the half hour. I'll even just go there just to check it, but it is not surprising. 151, 170. Wow, I thought there was going to be bearish divergence here for sure. We don't have it. That is surprising. So there's no reason for this movement down. We should have kept them climbing. Maybe we're just getting some pullback, cooling off here on the RSI before we can keep on running. We are neutral at 58 now, 58.01. We're going to see how this keeps on going, man. All right. So I'll queue up one for now. I guess, Ada? And Cody, I guess, right? Anyways, let's keep rolling. Again, we're neutral. Let's go check out Doge. How's Doge doing? I'm like legit worried about Doge and how it's going to perform. It did go up. It got very, very close to our target. This wick is fake. This wick is fake. It says it went up to 75.58 cents. It's not there, man. It's not there. Anyways, we're still going slightly higher, right? We're still coming slightly lower. And this is 346. Right, still slightly lower. So we still have strong bearish divergence for potential action and downside. Again, I would really like if by tomorrow we get to that 78 cent mark with that bearish divergence, and then we see Elon go live, and you know, might see a lot of people dropping. So why am I worried about Doge, right? Why am I worried? Can it moon? It can on account that it has this event tomorrow where Elon's going to go on SNL. We're going to try to figure out what he's going to say, and you know, that might have an impact. And you got to consider that a lot of people that watch SNL are going to be hearing about Doge, and we're probably going to see a lot of those clips float on the internet of Elon talking about Doge, and that could have a kind of like a rally effect on Doge and see it pump a lot more, right? Redline Venom says link, sure, man. I'll update the list in a second, right? So we know Elon's going on SNL. It could have positive action for Doge. That's why I believe it could go to 78 cents. However, after he goes live, there might be people that start taking profits, right? Particularly dumping on those that don't know what's going on. So we'll see. Maybe Sunday we can still see pumpage, or even to Monday. A lot of people are probably going to go home and investigate how to buy Doge. How do you get this magical coin that is a meme of a dog? And then, you know, that's it. People are going to buy it. That's how it's going to roll, right? And then once they buy it, you're going to have a lot of people in the market that are going to be greedy. Are going to be selling on the new buyers, and they're going to be dumping on them. And a lot of people are going to be hurt. So we'll see how this works, man. I mean, it could, you know, I can see it go up to this level, and then after the event, I could see it dropping, but I do believe it could still bring more adoption, at least to crypto. But, you know, Doge in general could still see more action, the upside still, on the following days, right? Like the aftermath of Elon going on SNL. What do we have here? We're starting to create bearish divergence here in the 4 hour. Jeez, let me open that. Here we go. Low to high and high to low, right? And here we're going also high to low. So we have strong bearish divergence, strong dogish divergence, fraction of downside here on Doge. And that could start to put some pressure on that price. Could we pump more and still be making negative momentum? I mean, bearish divergence? Yeah. We're basically barely starting to make positive momentum here. Could come up to this level, still be lower than the previous positive momentum, and we could still be lower than the RSI and still have strong bearish divergence, and then we could see that rejection of that 2618, and that could come with that dump happening, right? I mean, it could be that, you know, the stars are lining up in technicals, and you know, whatever's going to happen with Elon are going to match, or might see again that action to downside. I do believe it could get to 78 cents. I hope it can get to 78 cents. If it gets to 78 cents, then the question is, can it reach $1? I'm not sure if it can reach $1. We'll have to see. But it's going to be interesting, right? That's good coffee. Let's go to Ethereum. ETH. What is the ETH doing? Ethereum. $3,544. Sorry, did I do Doge in the 1 hour? I think I skipped Doge in the 1 hour. Let me go back to Doge and confirm. I think I might just gone over it. There we go. It's at 70 cents right now. Let's go to the 1 hour. We hadn't done it in the 1 hour. I had skipped over it, man. Skipped over it. First, let's anchor this here. Is it anchored? Yeah, it's anchored. All right, cool. There was something else coming over here to the 1 hour to, like, you know, mess around. So I think it's this one. This might be from the 4 hour chart. Let's send it back there. And it's making no sense where this line is. So I'm guessing this one's also from the... I thought it was anchored, man. I thought it was anchored, man. Let's go there, I guess. All right. Don't give your mom Doge for Mother's Day. Yeah. Or do. I mean, she might like it. I'm not sure. Here's what's happening here. We're going higher again, right? So we're starting to see coinciding data across the charts, right? Look, the daily had strong bearish divergence. The 4 hour had strong bearish divergence. And the 1 hour has strong bearish divergence. This here is 0.0099, 0.0098. It's still slightly less. High to low. Again, a strong bearish divergence, potential fraction of downside. We try to move down a little bit. Now, I don't believe this divergence might play us down yet. At least not on the 1 hour. On the 4 hour, it still has a room to run, but on the 1 hour, we might not really go with it, right? We might drop a little bit and then pump again. We might not even go to that 20 moving average, which is sitting at 64.19 cents. I think Doge tomorrow could have a bullish day. We'll see how Doge keeps on behaving, obviously, and it's gonna be interesting to see, right? We're gonna keep coming back to it and touch back on Doge as we keep on moving. Let's go check out Ethereum and see what Ethereum is doing. Let's go through the chat real quick. Steim is here, yo. What else here? Let's see. I already did that. Elon tweeted. All right. Maybe, man. He just confirmed a picture of achievement. Interesting. All right, let's keep rolling. I'm not even sure how many people are watching, but if you're watching and you haven't done it yet, hit that like, that button, that sub. Again, there's a possibility it might go down, right? So, Frank Castle, what is up? The Punisher's here. I am back online. I never went offline. I was forced to go away from here, and now I'm back. I've been welcomed back with arms wide open. On the daily, bearish divergence, potential action downside. We're starting to move down a bit, trying to gain now again. That will track to there, and this will track to there, and we'll still have strong bearish divergence forming here. Ethereum, I think you get to all-time highs, man. I think Ethereum can still punch and then try to go for at 3,800. I have faith in it. It's still overbought at 76.08. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Have that hidden bullish divergence fraction upside. We started climbing that, and guess what happened here? Low to high. High to low, right? Bearish divergence strong. We just keep on building it, right? On top of it and going and going and going, right? It's just more divergence every time, and every time it's like less strong. The moment that we see the upside, it's a lot less strong, right? We're neutral, 59.74. So that's where we're gonna go from here. Again, I do believe we could try to go higher. We're hugging that 20. We're like trying to stay above it. We have not been below that 20 since April the 25th, which again is pretty freaking bullish. I was looking for a touchback here on this date. We never got it until, here, I think the 6th, yesterday. Right now, we're getting another touch at the 20. We're testing for support. We're rejecting lower areas of value right now. That's good. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Bearish divergence, potential action downside. We did move down. Low, high, negative, more negative. Hidden bullish divergence, right? Immediately, first thing we look at, and we have some hidden bullish divergence for action to the upside, right? Or stagnation, and we did run a little bit with that, and that's fine. Not the strongest move, but also hidden divergence is not the strongest indicator for a trend reversal, right? Whatever we have here, look low to high, positive, and high or high. There's nothing bearish. That is fine. So we dropped a bit, probably from the divergence that we created on the 4-hour chart. And let's see, man. Are we pumping more high to low, high to low, and high to low? Neutral at 57.07. Again, that's it for Ethereum. Again, not doing that bad. Let's go check out Binance. What is happening with the Binance? Had the bearish divergence. We're still flagging, still trying to hold on to our previous 100% high at $606.12. We'll see where it's gonna go, man. We're bought at 60.44. There's not a lot happening here. Low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Woo, that's awesome.
So glad you're back.
Thank you very much, Frank. I really appreciate that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, Frank. That is awesome. Thank you very much for the kind donation. Let's keep moving, man. That's so cool. had a low, and had a low. We're neutral at 48.87. Again, it's fine. We're below 20. We hit that bounce, hit that 20, rejected. The move up that we were looking for was already hit, right? That was yesterday. Hidden divergence. We called it potentially to the 20. We did bounce, hit that 20, rejected. Now we're trying to determine where we're going to go. We could stagnate a little bit before, trying to get that 20 again. If we fell at 20 again, I do believe we could come down here to this low again at 606.49. We're sitting neutral at 48.90. Let's go to the 1 hour. There's nothing here that is bearish, at least not in the short term. Over here, hidden bearish. Right, high to low. Low to high.
SHIB. Blast has launched.
Low to high. Yo, Andrew, dude, thank you very much for that. Oh, sorry, I hit that bearish thing. Should let it go away and then I'll play the other thing. That's so awesome. Thank you very much for that, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, Andrew. That's so cool, man. Thank you so much for that. After Binance, we're gonna run into SHIB, right? Is it taking off? I hope you're doing really good with that one, man. To me, it's a bit weird of a project. It's still meme coin. I hope you can get some good profits in there, man. And yeah, again, bearish divergence pulling down, right? Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, low to high. Sorry, negative, low to high, negative. Let's say nothing bullish. Looking back here, see if we had something bullish here. Yeah, right. This works. Strong bullish divergence for that action to the upside. All right, and now we're seeing some kind of resistance to drop lower, and that's fine. We don't have anything else building here that is bullish. Like I said, here we just have it against the MACD. Got that pop, create that hidden divergence, moving us down. That hidden divergence is not going to be as powerful as a bullish, right? So we're failing to drop lower than the previous low. Thus, we could get continuation. We bounce, getting above that 20 right now, testing it. We could try to go for a bounce here on Binance. It wouldn't be weird if we see it trying to go higher. Let's go to SHIB, Shiba Inu coin. So let's put SHIB here on the list. Ethereum, SHIB. And then I'll update the list right after SHIB, right? The Full Horseman. I put $10 into a coin called Bro Code today. Now it's worth about 1,000. I took out 250 already. Can't wait. Oh, that's awesome, dude. Choose a poser. Brand, what's up? I know you like that horn, so there you go. Elon tweeted about SHIB yesterday. Interesting. Let's see what it's doing, man. Oh, man, it blast off, right? It's going to its previous 100% high. I'm ignoring that as 100% high. Considering this one a more realistic one. So 81% yesterday, 38% today. Dude, it's good. You're doing good here, man. Andrew, if you're holding this project, 151% gains in the last 2 days. Not bad. Nothing here to trace on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. We had that bullish divergence when we were live, right? We were live here. Look at that, dude. Right after we were live. To the upside. Great. Strong bullish divergence. Action to the upside coming into play. We're overbought at 79.93. On this last bit, we're starting to create some strong bearish divergence against the RSI, right? Just keep this here on the 4 hour. Should keep it rolling. Here we go. And that's the move I'm looking at. Might try to break this down again. I'm not sure how bullish this project is going to be, but we'll see, right? Fazan, what's up? Stardust Avatar. Someone please tell me what to lose. Yeah. He wasn't talking about SHIB. Yeah. Yeah, he tweeted about the Shiba Inu, which is the DOGE dog. Yeah. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. We had a strong bullish divergence also last night at 9 p.m. Central. When we looked at this, look at that strong bullish divergence. Actually, the upside took off. I was worried about it because it was struggling to sustain price above that 236. Right now, it just went insane. Again, we're starting to create this divergence here, right? Watch out for it. It's strong bearish. Could break down again. If you're already earning here good, just watch out for your initial investment, right? Again, you can always take out the principal that you invested and then just play with the house's money. Meaning play with the profits. We are bought at 75.88, and then you can reinvest your principal in something else. That's it for Chev. Let's go to Litecoin. Jesus, it's crazy. I mean, what Horseman's saying about a casino coin, that's weird. Had the bearish divergence here, there. Action to the downside, pulling back a little bit after hitting that 1618. Trying to get another crack at it. Nothing else that is bullish. And we are overbought at 71.92. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, our chart, we're looking for the divergence here. We still got it up here. One more candle, right? One more 4 hour candle. There we go. And now it broke us down. Went to that 20. And now we're trying to move back up, right? So we got near resistance. We broke that resistance. The next candle denied it and brought us back down, right? So we're trying to hold on to that 20 and push back up. Let's see if we can get it. Do we have something here, right? I think we might have some hidden bullish, actually. From here to here, right? And let's get this one here on the 4 hour chart only. It's from here to here, right? Again, we are neutral, 58.89. And with that, we could be looking for some potential action. The upside still, maybe continuation. Pretty good. You're gonna have resistance at that 1618 at $363 and 93 cents. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Liking as Bitcoin looks great right now, not even close to all-time highs. It has lots of room to run. Yes, I agree. It's one of those projects that hasn't run and still could do so, right? Here we're looking for the bearish divergence here. It did move us down a little bit, hit that 20 and bounce. So it did its job. And here we just continue tracking and we still have this. We could have lost it here. 183, 2. Yeah. So we lost it here against the MACD, but we kept it against the RSI and it's moving us back down. Low to high, negative, less negative, and low, slightly lower. All right, we can go with this one. Some hidden bullish divergence. Probably part of the reason that we're pumping. We already hit the 20 and we're rejecting it. So the move, it's already made, right? I mean, here we would have at least looked for a move to that 20 moving average. We already hit it. Looks like we're trying to reject. Let's see how this is going to happen, right? Yeah, we're not going to be doing birthday shout-outs, dude. Let's keep rolling, man. I mean, it just pissed me off because, you know, a lot of people put a lot of effort to, you know, not just me, but other YouTubers that are also getting trolled, put a lot of effort into getting content out there that is, you know, legit, and people are trying to make a living of that, and then have people come in with their dumb stuff and then putting that content in jeopardy just so they can laugh a little bit. Is just not cool. Like, imagine that this would have been my channel, full-time job, which right now is not the case, and I really depend on this because of that dumb joke. All of a sudden I cannot put food on the table for my family. That wouldn't be cool, right? So plus it was extremely racist, and you know, I just don't like that. State of crypto EOS, sure man, we'll put EOS on the list. Right, so that's it for Litecoin. Let's move on to what?
At this state of crypto, let's take a look at $DB/USDT on Bitrue. Dollarune being listed on another major exchange. First ever patented node wallet just released.
Nice, thank you very much for that, Shannon Linton. I really appreciate it.
Say it with me.
Legendary. That is awesome. Thank you very much for that. That's so cool. Sure. Let's do this, right? Let's do Divi. writing down the stuff. Right, so I'm gonna update. I'm gonna put DV up here. It's gonna be done right after Litecoin, and I gotta update the list for what we have. Right, so Divi. And then we're gonna do Charizard, and then Hyper, and Ada, and Cody, then Link, and then EOS. Alright, so I just populated the list. Save this, and let's see what's going on here. Doesn't matter, biz y'all. Sorry, I've been doing that. Taxes and afternoons. We're running late and have replayed the stream. So cool of you that you're replaying it, man. That really gives you extra views. Thank you for that, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, Brent. Right, let's go check out Divi. All right, so it's not showing up here. So then it came with a donation. I'm actually gonna do the extra work of going and hunting for it. Let's see how these things are looking here. Ooh. Look at Doge, dude. It's so close to overtaking Binance and so far away from XRP. It was so close yesterday, the other day. It was Divi. Divi. It sounds like Timmy from South Park. Divi. Sitting at 9.26 cents. It has taken a massive move over the last couple days. Consider that in, oh, this is last year. All right, so it's been around for a while. Weird that I couldn't find it. All right, so. I hope they have a, yes, they do. Great. Let's go to dark mode so you can, not burning your eyes out here. And let's zoom in here and see what we have. Let's get on the daily. Yeah, it's fine. We have MACD. We have RSI. These guys are set. These guys are good. I wish other exchanges did this and just left their, MACD and RSI out there for us to just jump in and do the analysis, right? But most people are like, no, man, let's put in weird colors and not add any of the indicators out there. It's looking really good, actually. I'm not going to have to change a lot here. So low to high and high to low, right? This is the first move I'm noticing. Is it good? Is it bad? It really depends on how you want to see it. But it's going to start creating bearish divergence. Is it going to have drawing tools? It's the only thing I'm not finding. Drawing. Oh, here it is. Drawing tools. Oh, saving. Is it going to let me draw now? Drawing tools. Come on. Yeah, I was doing so. Oh. Snap. No. Please don't. All right. Let me use the drawing tools. It's not letting me do the drawing tools, man. Ah, here we go. I see them now. They're popping here on the side. I was like, why is it not letting me draw? It was so minor. I was like, something's shifting. I just can't seem to get the drawing tool out. They were just hiding them and unhiding them. I was like, oh, I was doing so good. Let's move that here. Let's go low to high, man. It's one of those duh moments, right? You're like, duh, it's right on the side, man. You're like, oh, snap. It was. Right on, right on. Look at this, right? Bearish divergence, strong. Potential action to the downside. I don't like that. We're going to fib it on a larger time scale, right? Brent says, too late. Burn the white of your eyes, yeah. Tiffany Haynes, thank you very much for being here. What is up?
What's up?
Low to high, high to low, and high to low. Again, we have that bearish divergence strong for potential action downside. Again, here we're coming lower, right, low, lower, low, negative, less negative, right? So we're creating some of that strong bullish divergence that we saw that rally with. And now we have that strong bearish divergence. So not bad for this. Let's go to the 4 hour. Royal Gamers, thank you very much for being here, man. Thank you for the shout out on Twitter, bro. I really appreciate that.
What's up?
Again, low to high and 17, 15, right on high to low here. And high to low as well, right? So with that, some bearish divergence for potential action downside. We are bought at 68.51. But again, we have bearish divergence again. We had it on the 1 hour. We have it on the 4 hour. So we had it on the daily. We have it on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour and then we'll go back to the daily to Fib and see where we're at, right? So I thought we opened on the 1 hour, but no. Just noticed that we were in the daily. On the Z1 hour chart. Low to high, low to high, low to high. There's nothing bearish here. It could still go on running. I'm assuming this is a 20 moving average. It is. Great. Look, it's beautiful, man. It has everything that I use. The 20 moving average, the MACD and the RSI already out there. It was nice stepping into a chart that had everything already there as far as indicators. Had nothing to add extra on this exchange. That was pretty cool. I appreciate that, gamers. Thank you very much for that, man. The only thing I'm noticing that we have right now is some hidden bullish divergence, low to high, and negative momentum to more negative momentum. Hidden bullish divergence for action up. So we're starting to get that bounce. We're finding support at that 20 moving average. I want to zoom in here so you can see what I'm talking about. That 20 moving average, trying to go up. So not too bad actually. Let me zoom out here and let's get rid of this because since it might not even save the data, not worth keeping it here. Let's go back on that daily and get some fibs out. All right. All right, so when we on the daily, doesn't look as hot. I'll tell you in a second because we're basically just recovering up to, you know, August 2020 levels, which is fine. It's just doing all-time highs now on this chart. Again, nothing wrong with that. I'm just saying that's why it might not look as hot when we zoom out. You can say, yo, it's a mega cup and handle. No. It looks like it. I do believe it has coming from a 30% rally. I'm going to have to measure, man. This might be actually epic. I think it's too many periods, though, right? We do have a period limit on the amount of periods that we're willing to consider for a cup and handle. Oh, man. Yeah, it looks like we are rallying at least 30%. This could be looking like a massive cup and handle, actually. I'll shut my mouth and just draw it so you guys can see it. There's the cup, and here's the handle. Right, it might not look the strongest, but it is there. I'm telling you guys. There we go. Let's make this one yellow also. You can see what I'm drawing. Right, so cup handle, not too bad. It's still above that. I think it's gonna be above that 50%. All right, so I'm gonna take that as a high lip into the low. It's barely below that 50%. I think the closings were above that 50% still. Flirting with it, so we could be looking at this as a potential cup and handle for action to the upside. We're breaking that neckline of the cup, so what we would do here is fib this high to low to targets where we could run to. Right, we got to break this 100% line and see where we can go, and we have that 1618 right there at 10.93 cents. But we're really looking for about a 40%, 39 to 41% rally here. And I really wish it was a larger chart that I could play with. So let's go from here. All right, so we could be looking for around 12-cent rally, which is not that bad, right? That's a move that this could be doing, right? Divi, not bad. Shanna, thank you very much for having us look at this. It's awesome. It's looking pretty good. That's the stuff that dreams are made of. Go, Fiv. So, crypto. Shop audio, video, good job on the streaming setup. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Let's see what else do we have here, man. Just making sure I'm not missing anything, dude. School's nothing more than a place for kids to bring home attitudes and sickness. All right, interesting. All right, XRP, please. Yeah, add this to the crypto, and then you're gonna go add this to the crypto, Matt, and then XRP, and I'll put it up on the list. Ooh, interesting. Instead of crypto, sure. Yeah. When do you think coin will reach price discovery on NASDAQ? Ooh.
When do you think coin will
I have
reach
to check
price
that.
discovery on NASDAQ, and what is your opinion of its valuation?
Yo, Frank, thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome. Thank you very much. It's an awesome donation. 33 Bait is now following. Thank you very much for the follow, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Let's keep rolling. So let me finish this, and then I'll just jump onto the coin. Then we'll move on to RSR and the rest of the stuff on the list. Again, potential cup and handle. Already talked about the targets. All right, so let's keep rolling, dude. Not bad. Not bad on DV. All right. Very nice, actually. Let's see if I can do this, man. So, Crypto, are you in any Doge trade? No, I'm not in any open Doge trade. But thank you for asking, though. I already discussed Doge. I'm going to go back and round back to it in a bit. Let's go to coin. On the NASDAQ. Here we go. 263 wasn't? Didn't it start like at 300 and plus? Can't remember what its opening price was. Yeah, 281. Wow, this has gone down all the way, bro. Initial valuation, I think, is overhyped. I mean, there's probably a lot of people thinking it was going to do better because it's an exchange, a crypto exchange. But it's quite new, right? It's quite young. It doesn't have a lot of history here. Again, we're doing new all-time lows a couple days ago. So could it bounce? Yeah, I mean, it is normal, right? You open up, you go down a bit, then, you know, try to bounce later on. It's fine. Yeah, it was too much hype. I do believe so, yeah. We're bearish on Litecoin. I can't remember. I think we're somewhat bearish. I just didn't write the outcome, Anthony. Wait for a recap, and I'll gladly check out Litecoin again. I'm trying to see. I think the valuation was too high. Project's just been on a lot of pain since it came out. If you bought at opening, now you're gonna have to hodl until, you know, it goes back up again. If you don't want to materialize your loss, it's taken a nasty drop. It's dropped almost, I would say, over a third of its value. All right, let's just go here for a real quick measure. High to low. 32 right now, maybe around 30s. So almost a third of its value. Right. I don't like it, dude. I don't like where it's at. There's nothing we can look at here, right, in the MACD or the RSI to determine if we have divergence, and that'd be really important. So let's go to the 4-hour, man. Low, lower, low, lower. Something bullish. Bullish. I would be. We're not gonna have a 200 moving average. So I would be willing to look for the cross happening here, MACD going over the signal line, and that could get us to usher a positive action rally here. All right, so again, I'll be looking for a cross here. Let me get my tool here. So we need to get a cross somewhere. Start building that positive momentum, maybe try to pump back up. If we confirm this to be the local low, we're gonna have immediate resistance at the 20 moving average, which we could reject and break back down farther, or we could try to go for that 200 for the 236, right, fib node, and then if we get above there, we could start talking about a retrace. But right now, I do believe the valuation was too high, and you know, the project, it's basically, although they hold crypto and they could do good on the fact that crypto goes up or down, it could help them on their, you know, earnings reports and etc. They have to, you know, put out. But it's also going to be coming down to how many people are actually trading on their platform. So they're a little bit like a hybrid, right? They're not like, you know, a Mara or a Riot or anything like that, right? This is a little bit of a hybrid because they have a lot of users there. So if you just buy Bitcoin there and take it out, that Bitcoin is no longer in the exchange. They just can only go with what they hold. So it's gonna be interesting to see how they keep on doing, right? What is stonks? Stonks are the things that you buy on the stonk market. Carthago, what is up? Thank you for being here. So that's my thought on Coinbase and where it's at. Frank, thanks for asking, man. If you need something else, let me know. I think I answered your question. Let's go to RSR. There's a car alarm going on out there, man. Yeah, something like that. Let's get this here on the daily. Bearish divergence, move down, nothing bullish, trying to rally, hitting that 20, rejecting it. That's fine. We didn't have anything yesterday. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, neutral at 47.29. 4-hour chart. We're looking for this bullish divergence, which we didn't get because we pumped. Again, one of those things that because we have it, it's no longer there, you know. So it already triggered, whatever, it pumped, hit that 20, rejecting. I really wish we would have just made that strong bullish divergence and then run from it, right? And like run with it and try to get above that 20, but we didn't have it. We just try to pump without divergence. That's what we're failing at 20. Right now, again, not really determined where we want to go. And it's not really looking too clean. So it just looks like we're consolidating this area before we move. Could be that we go either way. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Bullish divergence strong. This one was here and we did pump on that. On that move, however, we created bearish divergence. The stuff that nightmares are made of. Bearish divergence. The home wrecker bearish divergence, right? Has wrecked a lot of marriages. Don't have anything here against the RSI, just against the MACD. Potential actually downside. We're moving down. Low to high, negative, less negative, and I'm gonna say sideways here. We're going slightly higher, so nothing there. And
winking face. Thank you, Martin. You're awesome for that deep analysis of DB. They're from Cali. Amazing team.
Awesome. Thank you very much for that, Chen. I really appreciate it.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. That's awesome. I actually did put a note here on my things that I should check it out or try to get into it, because that if that is a cup and handle that is to play, it could be really good. At least for a 40% gain quickly. Let's go. We're neutral at 48.11. That's it for RSR here. Not really doing a lot. Hidden divergence breaking us down, fell to drop lower than the previous low. We're slightly higher. So there's really not a lot happening on RSR. Let's go to Chromium, aka Charizard. Charizard. There you go. Frank says, my marriage was wrecked by a bear, too. Oh, I like it. Oh. Well, that's not cool. Do the daily. Dogfather is going insane. Billboards in London and New York. Yeah. See, that's what I've been talking about. Remember, guys, when we were talking about Doge, part of the comments were, it is extremely bullish. We know there's people out there that are, going to be buying into it, particularly before tomorrow and after it comes out, and then we might start to see the dump happening. People dumping on those people that are just coming in and are brand new. We're gonna see. It's not the end of the world, right? It's people dumping people all the time. We're gonna see what's happening here, right? After the stream, after SNL tomorrow. There's almost no volume here. It's tapered off and it's almost dead. That's we're getting that sideways motion. Bearish divergence hidden. Move down, fell to get above that 382 again. Not the best, but also This is sideways, 52.02. Not really doing a lot here in Charizard. But look at this handle. Remember the cup, the handle that we're making. It's looking good, right? I'm not worried about it yet. Breaking below 50%, breaking below this, the bottom part of this handle, it could put the pattern in jeopardy. So I like it where it's at right now. Hopefully we'll hold on to that, you know, handle and pop and what it got measured for it, right? It could go all the way to 64 cents from, you know, 45 cents whenever it breaks confirmation. If you want to be adventurous and get in earlier, you can always try to get in around that 50% and then run it up a little bit more to the upside. Entirely up to you. It's your risk. Sometimes I do take entries earlier than waiting for confirmation. So if I see that it's going to be bullish and it's going to go up, I might take an entry maybe here or here, 50%, 618, and try to get a little bit extra, right, for the risk. And we're neutral at 47.56. Let's go to the 1 hour. Last thing we had, bullish divergence, right? Yesterday when we were live, and then we popped magically. There we go. And then went up, and there it is. Low to high, positive, more positive, low to high, dude. That's it. Low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. Nothing bullish right now. There's also nothing bearish. So we're just consolidating. We're cool. We're chill. We're hitting that 20. Might try to get above it. We'll see. Neutral at 51.29. Still got time to create that handle, man. Someone said, yo, dude, check out Hyper. And I said, okay. I said, okay, man.
Challenge accepted.
Do the bind.
Do the bites, right? So Hyper's not here. That's interesting. I think this is what we're supposed to look at. Let's see what exchange is on. I'm not even sure if we're going to be able to chart it, man. Someone asked for this. We'll see. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to chart here. All right. So if you requested Hyper, we're just going to check it here and see how it's doing, but I'm not going to be able to do a lot for it. It's gone down a bit. Since we're in a downtrend, there's some kind of resistance going on, right? You could seem to draw a line from that top and then basically go like this. So yeah, interesting, right? It could be, you know, creating maybe, because I can't see the data, but you know, from here to here, it could be going low, lower, low. Maybe we might have some divergence on some kind of chart. If it had a chart, it just doesn't have a chart, man. If you requested Hyper, I really wish I could have done it, man. I was really looking for it, and I can't. I'm sorry, man. No chart. No analysis. So sad. Let's go to ADA. Oh, snap. I want to do that. ADA. Here we go. ADA, where you at? Funny story. Steve's daughter name is Ada. I'm not even sure if Steve has a daughter. But if he'd had, her name would be Ada. It's been determined. Lights TV. Will DOGE drop below by 50 before tomorrow? I'm not sure, man. I think it might reach 78 cents and then we might see some crash happening. At least that's what I've been looking for. At least a 75-cent hit. We haven't quite hit 75. We got close to it. We'll see. ADA stagnating after divergence. That's fine. Bearish divergence strong. Indecision yesterday. We didn't gain that much, 0.21, and then right now we're moving down a bit. Again, it comes with territory of having a strong bearish divergence. We are bought at 66.62. Nothing else happening here. Let's go to the 4 hour. We're getting that rally, that nice rally happening here. We didn't have any bullish divergence. We're just pumping up high, and we're creating that strong bearish divergence up here. Look at that. ADA bearish divergence. Who knew we're crashing? Are we gonna crash, Captain? Lights TV, thank you very much for the awesome follow. We are bought at 60.17. Again, that is it, dude. Not really doing a lot. Bearish Divergence moving us down. We might go for that 20 moving average at $1.53. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. The 1 hour chart. Diamond top in the 1 hour. Yeah, all right. We'll check it. We are just in the 1 hour. So, not seeing that diamond top. Right along, Venom, are you in the Discord? Send me what you're looking at because I'm not seeing the diamond top. Hidden bullish, pumping that low to high. I think it was negative. What is this? 69.53, 68. So strong bearish divergence against the RSI here on the 1 hour. And then we're breaking down again. I'm not seeing his diamond top, by the way, right? I'm going to draw the line. I'm just going to try to confirm right now we have hidden bullish. Not here, but against the RSI we do. Right, hidden bullish divergence, fraction to the upside. We are moving up, hitting that 20. Hitting that 20 and we're rejecting it. So not looking too hot right now. We might try to get another crack at the 20. If we fail again, we could be trying to go lower. 12 volts. Thank you very much for the follow.
Thank you very much.
We could be getting some kind of rejection happening here. Might try to move back down on Cardano again. Just be careful about it. Dude, I'm not seeing that diamond top. Let me see if I can bring this out. I just haven't brought this out in a while. There we go. So, all right. A diamond top, it's a very, very specific pattern where you're tracking the top parts of the chart, right? I'm not seeing the diamond top here because I'm not getting a lot of hits on the bottom, right? So let me see if I can find a good example of a diamond top. So I'm trying to find a good example here of what a diamond top might look like. Here's a good example of what a diamond top might look like, right? This is a diamond top within a head and shoulders, right? And this is for a Sarco. This is a mining company, by the way. Sarco, it's that's interesting. I never seen this chart before. There's an old chart for a Sarco. Their mines are in Arizona. I know because I've been to the plants and their mines. This is Baker Hughes oil. Baker Hughes, yeah, on oil. I have a couple of friends that work there from uni. But again, see the diamond top. Look at the pattern, right? Look at this bottom, right? Going lower, right, and then higher, and you get that anchoring point there. I'm not seeing that here, right? That's what I'm telling you. If you can draw it and send it to me, that would really, really help me out a lot here. Because trying to look. I'm assuming that the first thing you're looking at is this. And then, where is your anchoring for that bottom move, right? So you probably have to be looking at something like this, but then you don't get another touch point. And, like that, it's not going to look pretty, and it's not really going to be looking like a diamond top. I wouldn't consider this to be a diamond top. I think this might be what you're looking at. I'm not sure, bro. Did I just snap what you were looking at? Did I do that? Almost. Yeah, I wouldn't. See, I'll tell you. I'll show you a picture. You want to consider the points within the diamond tops. You cannot ignore data, right? You cannot ignore this line here. You cannot ignore that line here, right? Can ignore that line there. So yeah, you have to stay within the boundaries of what you're looking for. So again, look at this, right? The guy's not sure, like this from an actual book on trading. There's no points that are outside, right? You don't pick and choose. Like this point here is out because he's drawing the line like that, and then he's using this line here as the support, and then the support here, right? So that's what the line's looking like this for this diamond top. Let me see if there's another one that I could show. This is a very, very minor diamond top. Here's another diamond top, right? But look, the only data point that is out would be because he's using this as the anchoring. And he's just leaving this one out, but he's not leaving a lot of data out, right? On the image that you sent me, there's a lot of data that is outside of the drawing, right? Like this. So I wouldn't be considering this a diamond top, at least not in the conventional way that diamond top should look like. This one's a little bit more skewed, right? But look, it's more or less symmetrical here, and then more or less symmetrical here. This one it's a little bit more weird. I'm not really finding it as a good diamond top again. I'm trying to pay attention to it and draw it a little bit better, see if we can get this to work here, and let's see if we can get that to go there, and then that line there. I mean, I'll be really cautious about this diamond top. I mean, if you want to call it a diamond top, look, I'll even leave it in blue. I'll give you the credit for it. I'll put here red line venom. And I'll tell you that if you're going to trade this as a diamond top, just be careful. Just be careful. For me, I wouldn't like this as diamond top. I like diamond tops to be a little bit more symmetrical, a little bit better formed. Yeah. Maybe it'll play as a diamond top, right? There we go. I'll leave that there as your here new diamond. Your diamond for a diamond top. Let's keep rolling. So we just on the educational part of it. Now let's keep rolling. Looks more like a rising watch than diamond top. Yeah. It's a parallelogram. All right, let me go back to the comments real quick because I was messing around with the diamond top. Yeah, I was seeing other stuff also rather than that, right? Red line venom. I'll put your name here. I'll say red line venoms. There we go. That way we know it was you that looked at it and say, yo, potential diamond top here. So I'll just leave that there. I'm not sure if it's going to play it as a diamond top, right? I'm not liking it as a diamond top. I would love if this would have had another anchor point maybe, and then this would have been a little bit, maybe a little bit skewed over here. We'll see, right? Anyways. Let's see what else I'm missing. Casper69, thank you very much for the follow.
Thank you very much.
Bitcoin getting pamp. Yeah, told you guys it could go up to 59,900 and change. I'm not sure where it's at right now. You're turning your head sideways, nothing's happening to you. I was trying to get like a different perspective, see if I could try to form that diamond there in the top. Yeah, I mean, it's fine. You can, go for it and play it as a diamond top. You just be careful. SC, can you tell your thoughts on Elongate and a Ripple partnership? Apparently, it was spoken about after Rosie Rios joined. All right, I'm not sure. I haven't read anything about that partnership. I know Elongate is more onto charity and Ripple's more into fluidity, so I'm not sure. It could be a good match. Brent, that's crazy. Spectre 9, what is up, dude?
What's up?
How do you trade down top? Well, it usually takes to break the downside. Sometimes it could go upside or downside. You can have a breakout either way. Here's basically the play for diamond top. This is for a upwards breakout, right? It plays 21 out of 23. It means does not have a very good chance of playing out. It's 10% break-even failure rate. That means it needs to rise 10% for it to go, and the average rise is 27%. That's in a bull market. That's how you would play it. On the opposite, you will be looking at a downwards breakout. It's a 7 out of 21, so it's a bigger chance of it breaking down. Failure rate is 6%. That means that it needs to drop at least 6%. Otherwise, you could be looking for a reversal, and the average decline is around 21%. So again, I would not be playing this one as diamond top. I would be probably waiting for other stuff. We're in a bull market. I don't think Cardano is going to go bearish. I don't think it's going to drop 21%. I would be waiting it a little bit more and maybe not playing it as diamond top, right? Yeah, Royal has it right. Short the diamond. Yeah, basically be looking for a short. You gotta wait for a break though, because it could go either way, right? It does have possibility to break to the upside. There's diamond tops that break to the upside, and there's examples here also where you might see a diamond top like this one broke to downside, broke to downside, and then here you have failures where it breaks to the upside, right? And breaks to the upside again. So you could still break to the upside even here, right? Broke down, pull back, right? It didn't drop where it needed to drop, so you get that return. So again, diamond tops you need to be careful with, right? I would just say I would not be playing this diamond top, and if you're looking at this diamond top, maybe action it downside, right? Yeah. Well, the market is bullish, so you gotta consider that anything that is bearish might not play out as strong. Case you said elongate and Ripple partnership. What are my thoughts? I said I haven't read about it, so I think it could be interesting if it is real. Someone's saying it's a fake news. I'm not sure, man. I haven't read anything on it. Shanna Sherlock put me on the list. Is XRP a good move? Cassie, I have not looked at it yet, and no one's requested it formally. If you need me to look at something, go add this to the crypto XRP, and I'll put it in the list. If you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub. Join us on Discord. Link is in the description. Let's keep rolling. That's it for ADA. Let's go to Cody. Cody, cut a cheese. Cody sounds like the weird nickname of a roommate in college, I guess, right? Yo, Cody, what's up? Where is Cody? Did I just went over it? Here it is. Here it is. One second. Yeah, put it on the list. EOS, and then we said MIR, and then Cody on KuCoin. It's on Binance. Is it a big difference, Andrew? And said Cody. Brent, I said Cody. Cody. KuCoin, here we go. Alright, I'm gonna check both, and if they look similar, it's really not gonna matter. The analysis is gonna be the same, right? So I'll just check it out, but we'll see, man. So here it is. It looks very similar. It looks a little bit tighter on the range moves. I mean, we could do with this. What? Ben, what do you need, man? I have no clue what you're talking about. Charts on the spot. I have a queue, man. I have a list. You know how many people come in and request coins? Like, yo, for reals. This is a list. So I'm not sure how you want me to go through it. If you request something and someone else requests something, I cannot do both at the same time. You gotta wait. And there's already a list that's queued, and I gotta go through it. If you don't want to wait, that's fine. If you want to unsubscribe, that is fine. I'm sorry. You know, I just gotta go through the content. I'm sorry, man. Let's do Cody and Tether here on KuCoin. Let's go from low to high. Right on. So on fibbing low to high, we're seeing that we're getting a retrace, right? Getting that 50, hitting that 618, trying to get a bounce, rejecting it to 36, and now below a 382 again. Trying to hold on to a 20 moving average. This is not surprising because we had it on a couple of the other projects, right? This hidden divergence, and that's fine. Let's see, man. Let's see what else. Spectre9 says Discord. All right. Do you need me to do something here? Oh, I didn't get it. Spectre, I'm not sure if you needed me to do something Discord. You said Discord. That Discord's not going to work, man. You got to, because the links are being changed every day. So I got to send that, right? Yeah. All right, you send me a link. Awesome. Legendary J. Thank you very much for the follow, man. Where's my soundboard? Where did it go?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
There we go. Right on, let's get this out of the daily. Again, we know we have part of this analysis looking similar to what we've been looking at. So it probably would have been something like this. And then that drop there, we have that strong divergence right again. Just making it do a lot of this stuff, man. Because it's similar, right? So I'm just gonna, let's go here again. I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, we had the same thing. We had that hidden divergence there. And do we have it here? Yeah, we have the same thing, right? High to low and low to high. So again, divergence, it's good. We're neutral at 47.27. That is it for this on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Spectre, what do you need? What is the image, dude? I haven't opened it, so I'm gonna try to check it here on the side. I'm not sure if it's the project that we're doing. Ethereum perpetual contract. All right, I'm not sure when you need to look at there. I just opened it. I'll check it out in a second. Let me move through some of this stuff, Spectre, and I'll check it, right? Yeah, let's check here, man. Again, there was some bearish divergence here for that move down. Again, trying to get some of this stuff. Why we moved, why we did this, right? Jeez, and I thought I was moving fast, man. Leonel SB. Hey, Martin. Hey, you think DOGE will be added to Coinbase after this? I'm not sure, man. That's a pretty good question, Leonel. I don't have an answer for you, man. It'll be just speculation, and I just don't like that because we should have based answers on reality, not speculation, right? Speculation, all it brings is just hype. 5686, and we don't do that here. 54, still less, low to high, negative, less negative, low to high here as well. So looking for some hidden bullish. I'm not finding it. I'm pretty sure if I go here in Cody, there's nothing here also drawn. Yeah. So again, it's just part of recovering some of the same chart. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, neutral at 4310. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, man. High to low, and high to low. Low, lower, low, negative, less negative. All right, strong bullish divergence. We did take that pop. That we get the action upside, high to low, low to high, hidden bearish divergence. Moving down again on that. And low to high here as well, right? And then we get the action downside, low, lower low, negative, less negative, more strong bullish divergence. We might try to go for another rally here. Already did go on a pump, hit that 20 and rejecting. Now the question is this going to hold, right? Is the 20 going to hold us down? And there's two ways to look at this, right? We're not strong enough to break above that 20. We could be moving back down a bit. So long as we don't break below this level here, we should be okay. And that level's around that 27.72 cent mark. Right now it's sitting at 28.46 cents. If it does drop below there, we might be looking for some more strong bullish divergence to develop to run up again to that 20 again. Again, this small drop, could try to go up. Again, it's just one of those things that we could have a couple of options as to how this is going to play out, because there's nothing happening right now. The play already went, hit the 20. So the options are we either pull back down and felt a drop, and then we punch back up through that 20 on the account that we have strong bullish divergence. We drop below this low, we create more strong bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI, and then try to pop again. Or, we try to run from here and hit that 20 and see if we can get above there, right? Well, the almighty $1 hit tomorrow. I'm thinking about 75, 78 cents first. We'll see what happens when we get there. There's bearish divergence, but we know it does not play when there is, how would say, other outside events, right? So technicals are a little bit more stunned or don't play when there's other outside events out there that move them. What else? Am I 100K? Ooh. Interestingly enough, good luck with that, man. I really hope you can hit your target. Yeah. Let's roll to the next coin. That's it for Cody, dude. I think it's more or less what we would have been looking at here, right? High to low, low to high. Again, that bearish divergence, strong bullish, pumping on that. Low to high, negative, low to high, dude. Did I do this wrong here? No, this is low, lower. It's a little bit different, man. It is a little bit different. Andrew, you're right. It is a little bit different on the chart. Let's go to link. I'm taking it ball. Hey, thoughts on BTT? Levin, dude, I have not looked at BTT, so I cannot give you my thoughts. And I don't hold any of that. I guess crazy, man. Let's go link. Link. What is doing? Bearish divergence. Action downside. Moving down a bit. Again, trying to recover. Hitting that 2618. Yeah, 2618 and rejecting. We are bought at 67.75. Not seeing a lot here. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Dude, I even speak fast, dude. What was that guy talking about? People tell me I talk fast. I should talk slow. And I thought I was doing the charts quick. Apparently I'm slow. Interesting. You can't please anyone, dude. Right? No one's a gold coin to, what's that saying? I can't remember how to translate that saying, but no one's a gold coin to be loved by everyone. Some people like it, some people hate it. Hate it or love it, the underdog's on top. Anyways, there's medium bearish divergence for potential action downside. We did move down, hit that 20. Look at that, beautiful. We run that range, right? From that 2618 all the way here to that 20 and try to break back up again. We're like rejecting lower prices and trying to hold on to 20. That's bullish. Although I'm not seeing anything else besides that hidden bullish divergence there. We even say here, trying to hold this right. Did I anchor this properly? Nope, I didn't. Now see if I don't do this. Go to the 1 hour. We're going to have someone like screaming at me because there's stuff in the 1 hour that shouldn't be there, man. That's fine. It is fun. Yeah, it's an instant gratification world. I agree, man. If you start speaking slower, I'll have to start listening at 1.5. Yeah. It's what? Thank you, Brent. I appreciate it. He's probably trading the 1 minute chart. Yeah. I mean, what do you need, legendary JB, dude? I'm not sure I understand. You want me to do Bitcoin against Ethereum? Yeah, sure, man. Like the request format's right here. If you go add the set of crypto and then tell me what you need, I'll check it out. I'm not sure if you just want Bitcoin Ethereum, just do Bitcoin/ETC or ETC/BTC and ETH/BTC, and I'll check it out. Right, whatever you need, just put it there and I'll queue it up. Right. Let's go to link here, man. What are we doing? Bullish divergence. We tried to rally. That's great. Failed to drop lower on the previous low, so we started to consolidate here into a triangle looking pattern like that. It was a triangle, I tell you, like that, right? So let's get rid of those lines. I don't care about them because they broke to the upside. That is fine. It was symmetrical. It could have broken either way. Broke to the upside. Fund support at the 20, pumped. Good. Low to high, high to low, right? There's some bearish divergence here. Jeez. Hidden bearish. Putting some pressure on that price, breaking it back down after getting to a resistance. See what's important to have good resistances? Like not having good resistances and supports trace, like really get you wrecked. Look, we went up, we hit that 2618, we had bearish divergence, strong. What do you expect is going to happen? We're going to look for a rejection, right? At a resistance level, like the key resistance level. So we did move back down a bit, hitting that 20, trying to bounce, failing to get higher in the previous high, going for that 20 again. There's nothing bearish here in the short term. There's also nothing bullish here in the short term. So we're going to try to see if the 20 can hold us and try to propel us higher. We had some strong bullish here, short term. Again, held, pumped, strong bearish, right? Might try to move back down or move sideways here. Let's go to link. That's it for link. Let's go to EOS. Let's go to EOS, man. EOS to $1. Yo, I like the community that we have, that we're building here. Right, it's a tight community. You guys are awesome. Give yourselves a round of applause. If you don't do it, I'll do it for you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being some followers.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Well, let's keep rolling. So EOS on the daily, right? We're going higher, higher, and higher. There's nothing bearish. We talked about this. I think we did EOS yesterday. We did have a red day today. Again, we talked about getting potential pullback after pumping insanely hard. We did pump 31%. Got some nice pullback at 9.70 right now. Trying to push back up and try to resist or get above that 3618. That's where we're finding the resistance right now. Nothing bearish. We are overbought at 70.94. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah. Well, we're going higher, dude. Right? Still, there's nothing bearish. We pull back down on the fact that we're in too high. We're highly overbought. That's fine. Hit that very close to 20, try to bounce again. Not too bad here, man. I'm gonna have to zoom in here a little bit more, man, and see if nope, negative, less negative. So low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Bought at 64.95. That's it. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah. Bearish divergence, action downside. Low to high, negative, more negative, hidden bullish. All right, that's helping us hold support and bounce, which is good. It's good. I like this. Here's about 53.57, man. No, dude, I will never do 100 times leverage.
Y'all are legends. All of you.
What the hell?
Except for no LLLL for you.
Yo, thank you very much, man. Fact. Legendary, man. That is awesome. Thank you very much for that. That was crazy, dude. We're trying to get above that 20, but we're resisting the 3618. Neutral 53.15. Nothing bearish in the short term. I mean, we have hidden bullish. This is strong bearish. They could still trump the hidden bullish. We might still see action to the downside. Again, it really comes down to breaking above this level and recovering and trying to recover higher than this previous high here at $12.94. Right now at $11.02. It's all good. Let's move on to MIR. Yo, dude, I agree, dude. Like, if he would have come in and he would have donated and said, yo, I want this coin, and then I'm taking forever to do his coin, like, you know, like doing other projects before doing his coin, I would agree with him. You know, like, what a douche. But like, the guy didn't even donate. He just came in and, like, you know, I think he wanted to get his stuff done priority one ASAP because he believes he's a special butterfly. I'm not sure. We must grow. Brent, that will be happening every day. Shiv zipping. Let me do MIR and I'll go and check out Shiv real quick. Where's Shiv, dude? I had it written down here. I gotta find it so I could like circle it. Dude, where the hell? Shiv, here it is. That's how I know I gotta go back to a redo. Dave Smith, what is up?
What's up?
Yeah, Andrew, I'm still holding on to DVT, man. Yours off 47.89. I am like I don't think I've said that earlier, but I did become part of their marketing team, so it's good. So I'm kind of like involved with them. Let's go here on the daily. There's nothing here because, you know, there's no Mike D. Noir side. The only thing that we could look at here, and I'm gonna try to see if I can do this like that. There we go. Look, we are coming up higher, right, on the price, but our volume is going down. And this is a legit way to draw a divergence also against the volume, right? Your volume's dropping, but you're picking up value. That means you're going up with a lot less strength. So it is bringing some strong bearish divergence, right? That's probably why we're seeing this action to the downside. Again, Shauna, I haven't looked at this, so I'm, you know, before, so I'm not familiar with the project. So I'm just gonna go with the technicals, right? No hype, high to low, high to low, high to low, low to high, low to high, and low to high. There's nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Not really seeing a lot of here. It just looks like a lot of sideways motion shop, slightly up sloping, coming down a bit right now. So let's look auto, low to high, high to low. Right, some hidden bullish here. King Felix, thank you very much for the
Thank you very much.
follow, man. Again, pumping that, broke breakdown, nothing bearish here for that breakdown. Try to pump, nothing bearish. Bring it down. Low to high, negative, more negative, hidden bullish. That's about it. I mean, there's really not a lot happening for this. That might just get us to try to go up again. We're below a 20. At least primary target would be that 20 moving average. Sitting at $9.75. Target would be around $10.55. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. What the hell, Brent? Yo, thoughts on VT? We haven't looked at VT today, man. No one's actually requested. You can feel free to request it on, you know, the stream, and just follow that small format that's right here at the bottom. It says add the static crypto, and then the asset. And if you do that, I'll put it in the queue gladly, and I'll definitely check it out. Right. A lot of people, you know, I know you're new. That's why I'm telling you that how you put requests in for projects, and that usually happens because right now the chat's not going insane. But when it's going insane, it's like, you know, usually my name comes pinged in a color on the chat, and it just lets me know that, you know, you require my attention certain things. So it's just good that you get into the habit of doing that, because, you know, the chat right now is easy going, but when we have like 100, 200 people in here, that's just freaking insane. Jesus, dude, what the hell? Brand, what the hell, dude? I don't know. We are neutral. So we were sold at 35.43. Lower, low, negative, less negative. We had the bullish divergence. We pumped, hit that 20 and rejected. Look at this. We're still having this bullish divergence. We're trying to go for that 20. We're not even reaching it this time. It's not really looking extremely strong, right? It's looking a little bit weak, to be honest, because the bullish divergence is not getting us to go higher. We're actually even doing a lower low than our previous low. So now we're going from negative to positive and low to high still. And just that bullish divergence won't trigger. I mean, it's just going to be a matter of time for it to trigger. I'm not sure how strong of a move it's going to be right now. I don't think I can even fib this because we haven't confirmed this to be a local low. So it's not 100% there. Shanna, London, thank you very much for asking for this. And let's see what else. Who else is thoughts on VTO, right? What went till the Turkish bot? Sure, yeah. HD, what is up? Ahmed, yeah, sure. Maybe 75 cents, 78 cents first. And once we get to that target, we can talk about hitting $1. Your English is fine, man. Don't worry about it. So, Andrew's worried about SHIB, so let's go check out the SHIB. I need to type it here. He said the SHIB is falling, man. The SHIB has hit the fan, and the SHIB is falling, right? The Shiba Inu is falling. Is it falling? Yes, it is falling. It is pulling back. Remember, we had the bearish divergence. We still have the bearish divergence here and here, in here. So it's still in play, right? We knew it was a possibility that we got action to downside. We could get continuation, right? The move should be to that 20 moving average. Sometimes we don't reach it, and then we just pump back up again. So right now, the 20 moving average at 0.000000280, right? Like 5 zeros and then 280. Right now at 5 zeros, 345. It would be a massive drop here to that 20 moving average. We could try to find support here at that 618, which would be at 5 zeros, and then 5 zeros and 299, right? That's it. What? G-Ward, what is up, dude?
What's up?
We're bought at 67.36 still. Again, right, it's not really doing anything out of the ordinary yet. We still had the bearish divergence here. We still have it on the pullback that it's getting, right? And here, look at that, right? So again, it's not really doing weird stuff. It's just pulling back a bit. Still try to go higher. We might still see this go back to green. It's fine. I mean, not real worried about it yet. We're looking for potential action to downside. That's it. For SHIB. Someone said Doge. Yo, the title's Doge. Do Doge, man. The Doge man. Doge man, dance. Let's go to Doge. Think you get in at 8? Yeah, Shana, you might be able to get in at a lower area of value. You just gotta gauge where you want to go in at, right? Yeah. There's a chance you could try to get in at 8. I'm not sure if it's gonna keep on dropping or not, right? It has that bullish divergence. It just fell into trigger. That's usually not a good sign. It's just showing weakness. At some point in time, it has to trigger. Doge, bearish divergence. We moved down. Now we're trying to bounce again. 70 cents. Because, you know, speculation of what's going to happen tomorrow once Elon goes onto SNL. Again, if you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub. Join us on Discord. Let's put those links out there for everyone to join. The Discord is the magical place where you can engage with me when I'm not streaming. Can you check SNTVT? Sure, man. It sounds like some weird disease. We'll check it out. To Bitcoin. Right on. Let me put it here on the list just so we know we're gonna look at it. SNTVT, man. To the BTC. What? My keyboard just went to another language. That's weird. There we go. Yeah, I know, right? Just pick it up because of a couple of handle. All right, I'll check it out in a second, man. That's it for Doge. Let's go to the Litecoin. Someone said, yo, what's up with Litecoin? And I said, wait for a recap. Now's that time. If you requested Litecoin, I told you to wait for a recap. Now's when you pay attention. Because we're going to talk about it. We have the hidden bullish divergence for action to upside. We're moving up. We did hit that 20, rejected the previous candle. And now we actually opened above it, not because we actually burst through it. It's just we opened and the 20 moved below us. So we're trying to get that action to upside. We're trying to hold it as support and we're trying to move up, which is fine. Not really worried about it right now. It's not looking really hot, high to low, positive, high to low. There's nothing bearish. In all fairness, it could still run. It could still try to hit that 1618 right here and see where it's going to take us, right? But that's the move for Litecoin, I guess. So that's it for the recaps. Again, real quick recaps on the 1 hour because we already did them in depth on the stream. Let's go to XRP. Right meow, right meow. I'm not sure I can do it right meow. Neutral 51.21, dude. So the daily for the XRP. For the XRP, Sharpie. I did 20 because it just makes it look weird as a chart, but nothing here, dude. It's just moving sideways at $1.60. Neutral at 59.63. That is it, dude. There's nothing bullish right now on the daily or bearish. All right, meow. Let's keep moving. Oh, look, we hit our first target. Oh, would you have taken that play that we called for? You would have made money. You would have made money, you. I think this almost hit target. Should have been really close to hitting target. For some reason, this is slightly lower than where it should be. So match it to that. No, that one was fine because it needs to hit that 618. There we go. Right here, right? That's like it on that wick. We should have probably exited. But we looked at this cup and handle for XRP and we said, yo, look, XRP with the cup and handle. I said XRP could go there if we break this area. And I think our point, this point is slightly higher still. Should be right about there. There we go. So on that account, we did move very, very close to the 1618. So first target should have hit, right? It's marking it here because it pulled back down, but that's fine. So first target met. Next target up here, 40 cents. Sorry, 40 cents, 40%, almost 41%. Still waiting for that move, right? We haven't gotten it, but at least the first move we got. That was a pretty cool, 22% move, right? So again, XRP, Kangs, we hit moves. Let's move on to, what are we doing here? Low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. Low to high. Positive, more positive. And high to low, so hidden. Not hidden, strong bearish divergence. Strong bearish divergence against the RSI. And that's where we're getting that move down. And it just looks like consolidation, right? We're not really dropping hard. The 20 moving average is not out, so we're going to bring it out. We're holding support at the 20, which is pretty good. Let's move on to the 1 hour chart. XRP, not looking bad. So I'm looking here, low, lower, low, negative, more negative, and low, lower still. So nothing here. Low to high, high to low, high to low. There's nothing bullish or bearish here. It's just consolidating. It's down sloping. It's fine. I'm not really seeing anything. Right now, we're above that 20 moving average, trying to hold support at it right now, above $1.59, which was our resistance. How do we know it's a resistance? Well, look, we drew it a long time ago, and look at this. We rejected it here. We used it as support here, we rejected it here again, and now, you know, trying to get above it. So we know it's a good support resistance at $1.59.19 or $1.59.19, I guess. Just say it like that. So that's it, dude. That is it for XRP. Again, not looking too bad. XRP down. Oh, let's go to SNTVT, man. Like the VD of crypto, I guess. I'm kidding. You said the corn on KuCoin. All right, let's see how many sats it's worth. Gregory, how's my week been? Oh, it's been long. My head hurts. I'm having a good time, but you know, it's the weekend. Hello, neutral. Yeah, 59.58. Brent. Yo, what the hell, dude? Oh, man. Anyways, nothing here on... I'm still XRP. What app am I using for what? No, this is TradingView, man. It's not an app. It's a website. All right, so you think this is a cup and handle? Kind of looks like one. The first question is this a 30% rally? If it's a 30% rally, we could start to consider this a cup and handle. It is a 30% rally. Well spotted. Well spotted. Congratulations. I bring you the gift of cup and handle. There's something I don't like here, and it is that this lip's a little bit higher. It's not really a deal breaker for the cup and handle, but it's, you know, slightly higher than I would like to see it. And the handle's here. It's in that upper half of that cup, so it's fine. It is fine. And what we do here is we measure from the high to the low here and get some quick targets. The only reason I measure here is because I want to get it in an exit maybe earlier than hitting that 40+% rally that we should be looking for. And just so you know, I'm not making this up. Look, I'll do here cup and handle. Cup with handle. It's in this book. That's how it's written. Next. I think I passed cup and handles here. I just need to get the percentage rise. I always forget the percentage rise. I think it's around 31, 41% rally maybe. $34. That's the rally that we're looking for. 34%. So I have another one that I put it at. I think on the XRP I put it at 40. So 34 would be around right around there, I would say. So 6,324 sats for this project. Let's get this P&L tool here, put it here, and then just go up there, man, to where it says 34. There we go. Right, so that's our target, and all this does, that 1618, all it gives me is a prior target usually before we actually reach or exit, and that's just in case we don't meet that target and we start to pull back down. It looks like we're gonna break. It does give us a clear exit, right? That's the only reason. Again, entry, it's here at 47,000 sats. Sorry, 4,700 sats, 4,700 sats. Yeah. And again, right, this is the move, right? First exit here, second exit there. Still 34% rally. Still looking good. And on that note, you're correct. It does have a cup and handle. The periods, I would have to measure how many periods we're considering for this. I'm going to consider that to there. We're at about 156 days. I think it extends by a little bit what we should be looking for as far as duration. There is something here. It's over 65 weeks, so we got to take 65 weeks times 7, 455. We are at, what do we say? 100. Yeah, we're good. We're good on time for that cup and handle. So it's not bad. It's actually good looking cup and handle. Thank you for bringing it up. Sentivate, yeah. We're a project. Dude, maybe, right? It doesn't look bad. I actually like it. You guys brought good projects today. That's awesome. I'm actually surprised that we found so much cool stuff, particularly on Divi and on SNTVT, right? Where, you know, we have good stuff at play. I'm pleasantly surprised, right? Look at this. Also, cup and handle here on Divi and then SNTVT also, right? It looks good, man. I like it. Yeah, cup and handle for sure. Let's go on the 4 hour, see what we have there, man. Let's see if it's gonna pan out. Low to high, low to high, and low to high. Nothing bearish. Really don't care about the bullishness. Some hidden bullish before reality. That's about it. And when I say I really don't care about the bullish, is because we're so far out right now that, you know, real more worried about the bearish divergence that we might build than whatever bullish divergence we could have had. The 1 hour, again, we're gonna check for that divergence here. Low to high, higher and higher. Nothing bearish, right? We got some pullback to that 20. We're trying to break it. We're gonna have support, so that's fine. Let's see this. Low to high are here. Low to high. Negative momentum to more negative momentum, right? Look at that line. Look at that line. I'll just anchor this here in the 1 hour, and it's awesome. Let's go here again. Low to high, and that's it. So yeah, hidden bullish. We pumped on that, and that's about it, though, right? It don't look like we want to go higher right now. Yeah, but that cup and handle's not looking too bad, right? I'll probably be looking for another break above this zero line here. What do you think about set run? I'm not sure. No one's requested set run. I don't think I've even seen my name pinged for anything lately. I'm not sure if I even skipped something. Craig, were you tipped on the Twitch? Thank you very much for that, man. Legendary, man. That is awesome. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, TradingView has an app for iOS. Yeah, they also have it for Android. I'm not using the app, though. I'm using the actual website. Yeah. Add the Center Crypto. Something here. How was your week? Oh, it's already replied to that. I don't think I've missed anything here. NFT horse racing. I'm not sure. What's NFT horse racing, Craggery? Let me know. Brent, you pinged me to say goodnight? No, you didn't. I seen you just messing around here on the chat. You liar. You liar, man. Oh, you did. You did ping me at, like almost 6 minutes ago. I'm sorry, dude. I was doing the analysis. Now Brent's gonna say, Brent, dude, thank you very much for being here, man. I really appreciate it. There you go, dude. There's your horn for your exit. Alright, so this is playing some weird music on the site. I don't want to get copyright strikes, so let's hide that. And let's see this thing. Dude, I'm not sure what you want me to look at here. Is this a gaming thing? Like, how's this gonna work, man? Like, is this fixed? Like, I think the outcome is fixed for this, right? Like, they know who's gonna win on that race. Yeah, I know, you cannot post a link. I did see it, though. Thank you for sending it. Yo, Brian, thank you very much for being here, man. I appreciate it, bro. I should bring you on for a live commentary. Although most of the stuff you say, or you type, you cannot say live, but that'll be pretty hilarious. Cracker, what do you want me to look at here, man? Let me know, because I'm not sure what this is. Is it like a thing where you buy horses and then you race them and then you can win stuff, but it's all on NFTs? I'm not sure what this is, man. I know. This is interesting. I'm not sure what I'm looking at here, though. It looks like you buy something and you get a horse and you can race it, right? What do you mean I don't have the time for it? I just want to know what is it, what I'm looking at here, what I'm supposed to look for. Like, is this like trading somewhere, or do you want me to look at the site and tell you what I think about this project? I'm not sure, Gregory. Let me know. Yeah, look, you get a pink horse, right? On the project. All right, so it is sold out. All right, the last drop sold out. So there are no horses to buy, I guess. You cannot buy, and then you can breed them. All right. I mean, I believe it's an interesting concept. At least it's doing something that, you know, other NFTs are not doing, right? I think you can buy horses, raise them, yeah, breed them, yeah. Thank you, John Lopez. Yeah, I'm looking at it. That's, yeah, I'm trying to get, like, you know, a sense for what the project was or what I needed to do, if I needed to look at the, you know, technicals or something, but right, so yeah, I guess it could be interesting, right? I guess it could be interesting on the fact that, you know, you are raising them, you do have this sort of I'm not sure how that's, like, if you can bet on these horses or not, or how that's gonna work. I believe it can be interesting, right? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, the question is, like, how good you're gonna have here of a horse, and whether or not you're gonna be able to race it. Otherwise, you might just, you know, be collecting like the bad Pokemon cards that no one wants. It does have a collector aspect to it. It does have a certain game aspect to it, where, you know, you, at least by the looks of it in the intro, you can at least watch a race and has some kind of that edge performing, where you're like, it would feel as though you're like really watching a horse race. Not sure if they have a gambling aspect to it or not, but yeah, I think it could be an interesting project, man. Right? OpenSeas has the NFTs, yeah. Are they expensive? I'm not even sure what they're selling in. Is this Ethereum based, or I'll have to do a lot more research on this. It sounds like an interesting concept. Don't get me wrong, right? Let's go here. Let's see what they say. You gotta create a stable. All right, cool. All right, so you gotta own a stable. So, you know. Yeah, this is gonna take money, right? So you can have a stable, raising, breeding, creative. It's probably gonna cost you to breed because, you know, you gotta mint that NFT. I'm not sure. I mean, it could be interesting, bro. Stable is free, all right. So basically, the stable is like your wallet, let's say, right? All right. I mean, how can you make your horse better, though, right? Haha, good pun, G-word. It is a stable coin. Right. Yeah, I think it could be an interesting project, right? I wouldn't mind looking at it more in detail. Well, particularly if it has that gambling aspect of like going to the races, I think it could be interesting. Jesus, John, but I think for that money, you can actually get a real horse, man. Right? So, I mean, you're going to get a game horse instead of like a real horse. But I mean, the upkeep of a real horse obviously would be longer in the long term. Yeah, it could be interesting, man. I'm not saying it's bad or anything, but you know. I think it's an interesting project. I mean, it would be interesting if after this we see a boxing one, right? Where you like get a boxer and you know, you gotta breed your boxing people so that you can have like a better like boxer, and then you can have a boxing match of 12 rounds, and you know, just watch it here. I mean, that could be interesting. I mean, I can see the concept expanding onto other stuff. I guess we're looking at some of the stuff that already exists out there for like, you know, crypto kitties, or what was the other one? Someone told me Apple something. Yeah, it was like some weird, or the dragon ones that are out there where you like buy and breed dragons. So I think it's some of that, but at least the racing aspect of it makes it a little bit more interesting, particularly if you race it against, you know, other ones. Could be okay. It's like Crypto Tamagotchi, yeah. Yeah, I think that's it, dude. Guys, we've been live for about 2 hours. I think we're gonna cap it at an early stream tonight. It's been a blast being here. We have 40 likes. We have 40 people watching. It's all good. It's a good day. Yeah, this is crazy. I mean, I think it could be cool, right? Brent has been saying goodbye for the last like hour, and he's still not been able to walk away. Anthony, I would say daily in 1 hour, right? 4 hour, I use it somewhat. I use it in analysis. It's good, but I would say daily an hour. I know. I remember, guys, next week we might start doing streams like about an hour earlier, right? We already said it yesterday. A lot of you guys voted yes. We might start streaming at, what did we say? 8 p.m. Central, so an hour earlier than usual. We'll see how that rolls. Someone said Doge isn't moving again. We'll see. What the Doge father is doing. Doge father. Doge. It's 71 cents. Great. Yeah, I wonder if I should just leave the stream up on the Doge chart and see how many people come in to watch just the stream. I think a lot of YouTubers just do that, right? They have a chart running 24/7 and they get like a ton of views and subscriptions just for having a chart running. It's insane. 72. All right, we're gonna push 75. And I'm gonna have to stay, man. I want to know if I'm gonna push 75 here. I was gonna sign off. I think I'm gonna stick around because, you know, it looks like 75 cents might be in play right now. Let's go to that 1 hour chart. So we're gonna be here looking at Doge, and talking about like crypto horse racing, I guess. Because why not, right? Like, come to the races. Look at the horses. They're running on this like digital track. It looks like Tron, like a Tron-ish track. They're running on, and I mean, he was good, right? Lethal Ethereum was running like ahead, and then everyone caught up to him. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Everyone's like catching up. So he seemed like to be a good horse. Maybe he's fast off the gate and then just like, died out, I guess. We can sell off. Wait until after SNL. I don't think we can determine that yet. Because I think it's going to bring two things that can happen, right? We have Elon created a lot of hype around Doge, so a lot of people that had never heard about it are going to try to jump onto the project. Obviously, some people are going to try to offload. I think it's going to become a game of what happens first, or how many people are buying versus how many people are offloading. So if a lot of people are buying, we might see Doge pump up a lot more, or a little bit more, while people offload. And it's going to be basically it's going to become a volume game. How fast is it selling off versus how fast people are buying it at whatever level it's at, which I think 78 cents is very doable, right? Yeah. Or if he talks about Shiba Inu, right? Right. So look at the horses race. It's interesting. Yeah. Yeah, it's interesting. Look at that gem, Hot Harmony, and then everyone they all of a sudden they take a burst, and then everyone else starts catching up. There goes Portland Street catching up to Gem, Hot Harmony, Strong Hand still a little bit behind. Portland Street taking over. Oh no, it's gonna be a tight race. What? Oh, the horses are starting to cram. Is it gonna be a photo finish? I wonder. Are we gonna get a photo finish here? No photo finish. It's just Portland Street to get. It was a crazy race. Well, why are they going to replay that? You won by like freaking a whole body and more. See? Like nowhere close, man. It's like about a body between one horse and the other one. And then in the last place, we have this horse here. Idle Station, I think it was the name. Ooh, there's a horse named Martini. I want that horse. We want something along the lines, Doge is cool and all, but VT is really where it's at. Yeah, that would be insane. Doge, pulling back. All right, I'm not sure what Doge is going to do right now. It looks like we might try to go higher. We'd still have Bearish Divergence here, by the way. I'm just going to point it out because it's barely there, but... High to low, and high to low here, right? High to low. Overbought at 68.96. Again, potential fraction downside. He might try to rally. Like I said, technicals might not play for this project because we have factors outside of the technicals that are still at play. Guys, that's going to be it for tonight. Thank you for watching. Again, if you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like button and sub. Join us on Discord. Links have been posted throughout the stream. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. Go to Twitter and talk about our awesome channel. Help bring awareness to State of Crypto. We might get more community out there. And... what else was I going to say? Yeah, remember, we're not financial advisors. This is not financial advice. Don't trade based on what you see here. Again, all we're doing here is discussing ideas. And, yeah. That being said, I want to sign off in a second. I want to give you guys a chance to catch up on the stream to where I'm at. And I think that's going to be it for tonight, right? What's happening right more? Did the last connected? Yeah. I'm not sure, Joan Lopez, maybe. I know, Johnson. I need to get good lighting, but, you know, I cannot put the lighting because I have those little things back there that are, you know, where I put the Legos and stuff. So that I cannot put the lights there, right? The LED lights. I need to buy something different. Yo, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to fireworks tomorrow. I'm not sure why they're going to be fireworks tomorrow, but maybe, man. Maybe on Doge. Look, it's going up again, 72 cents. Again, remember, 75, 78 cents is our target, right? With potential bearish divergence, then try to crash us down. We'll see how it's going to behave. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we burst through 78 cents and try to go a little bit higher on the hype. But that's about it. Guys, thank you for watching again. That's going to be it for tonight. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then.